Hi, I'm Bob Howell, editor of the Streets Retirement Daily, and today I'm speaking with Pam Krueger, CEO of Wealthramp. Pam, welcome.
Hi, Bob.
So in April, your firm did a survey of pre-retirees who have advisors, and you wanted to learn a little bit about what was going on in their minds. What did you learn?
Well, we're always curious to know, how does good advice, or does good advice from an advisor move the needle? So we decided that we'd go ahead and survey our 100 at least of our 215 advisors. And we found that they were a lot more optimistic right now during this crisis. This is in April, than I would have thought. And it turns out that 8 out of 10 of the advisors who were surveyed reported that more than 3/4 of their clients are still planning to retire right on time. Not even making any adjustments to their retirement. So they're landing the airplane, right on the tarmac where they wanted to land. So that surprised me, frankly.
Right.
I didn't expect that.
And of the small percentage of people who did have to change their plans in terms of their time horizon to retire, it was very short in nature, in duration.
Right. Yes. Of the minority of clients who felt like they did need to make an adjustment, that adjustment was only about 1 to 2 years. And we're talking about people who are very close to retirement, not 10 years out, just really right there on the soon to be retiree spectrum. So that surprised me as well, that the adjustments weren't as great. And then 63% of their clients were actually asking, how can I put money into the market right now?
What did you learn about rebalancing? We've been writing quite a bit about that. This is now the time to think about rebalancing your portfolio.
Yeah, almost half, 47% of advisors say that the clients are focused on rebalancing, which obviously it's an excellent time, to be doing just that and making those adjustments. And 23% said they're focused on making sure they have enough of a cash cushion. So, even though that is a huge concern for the general population, only about 1 in 4 were saying that was their priority. But that comes under the rebalancing as well. And then 10% said they were actually looking at harvesting tax losses. So they're focused on strategy, Bob, and not so much about survival or about making big changes. That was the interesting news for me. So it was optimistic as far as that goes.
All right. So, Pam, what do you think the survey says about the value of holistic planning?
I think that it's proof that there truly is a lot of value in the planning. It's not all about the products. So the emphasis on the planning leading up to, and investment products are important, of course, but all of that planning, cash flow analysis, and everything that goes into keeping costs and fees low all those years leading into retirement, huge value. And this just proves it.
Pam, thanks ever so much for sharing the knowledge about that survey.
Thank you, Bob.